Generation by generation, there is a growing void between humanity and nature. This nature deficit disorder is damaging Britain's children, causing diminished use of the senses, attention difficulties, and higher rates of physical and emotional illnesses, according to an inquiry facilitated by the National Trust this year. Our pavilion reintroduces humanity's coexistence with nature. It will be a showcase of how we can have a mutually beneficial relationship with wildlife. Millie and Sam enter the warmth of Dun and Massey kitchen. The demonic urban does not enter this sanctuary. Lard and a magical array of seeds of a million colours, shapes and textures are flung together in a wonderful mixture. Millie and Sam then skip to our pavilion with birdcake in hand. They place their interventions wherever they desire in the pavilion slats. They make their own architecture. Magpies, blue tits, goldfinches, for example, dance around the children's pavilion. They also change the architecture. As the food is eaten, voids reappear. Millie and Sam laugh at this madness. Millie is no longer scared of birds.